I like to start off by just rolling it out with a rolling pin. Flatten it out enough so it'll fit through the largest setting of the roller. And then I slowly roll it through. And then usually I just fold it over and roll it out again. Widen it a little bit so it's the same length as the KitchenAid. After each roll through, I like to just lightly flour it up again. And then I slowly make the rollers a little bit thinner and thinner and thinner, just one level at a time. And again, after each roll through, I flour it up. And then make it a little thinner. See how I'm using my hands here? I only use my whole hand, so there's no risk of ripping the dough. And then I kind of slice off the rough edges if there are any. And then I roll it through to the thinnest setting.